see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
Dining. That's
I want to be lemonade.
Yes po, ang god. Kuya, come here.
Take my hand and hold it tight.
Good morning guys! Today is Friday, August 6. Aalis tayo and yung mga kasama ko ng kabis na sila, hinihintay na lang nila ako. And hinihintay rin namin sila. Kaya ako, eto, binasa ko itong kagabi, pinaliguan ko yung ating buhok, syempre, pati katawan. And ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay planchahin ko siya kasi hindi siya magalapag. Ano ganyan siya, buhagag siya, oh. Kaya planchahin natin siya. And mamaya punta tayo. May pupuntahan muna kami. Hindi ko pa lang kung saan. Pero mamaya 4 o'clock pupunta tayo kila Hunter. Nandun si Daddy ba kahapon tumawag. So nandun sila dahil punta tayo doon. And si Holly, say baba. Good morning. Look at them.
Good morning.
Good morning. Tapos na ako guys. Nakaayos na tayo. What? Huh? What sports are you gonna play?
Netball.
Netball? No. Wait, kuya. Nasuot ko na yung sapatos na binili ko kahapon. Tapos, ang suot kong jacket ay yung Under Armour or Under Armour. Under Armour, Han? Yeah. Naiwan ko kayo. Sabi ni Jan, nung ilalak niya na yung door. Babe, do you want your camera? Sabi ko, yes. Buti na lang nakita niya kaya. Stop, nahulog din yung phone. Ay, ano ba ang nangyayari? Okay, let's go. Okay. Handshot! And naiwan ko yung aking squishy. Oh. Phone everywhere.
Yeah.
Alis na tayo, guys. And si Sophie, say good morning, Soph.
Good morning.
Good morning. Si Sak na dun sa kanila.
Can you tell us what the surprise is?
I don't know what's the surprise lang. Kasi sabi ng mami niya may surprise daw sa kanila, magkapatid. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano. Nag-stop pala kayo dito sa Star Mart kasi bumili si Jan ng drinks ng mga bata and syempre yung coffee niya. Kausap niya lang si Joe. Ang dumi ng
I wonder
ano,
what's in here.
ng window.
Oh, there's crane.
Thank you.
I said thanks.
Thank you. Sophie, thank you. Okay.
Okay, you don't have
Huh? We're gonna eat there?
Yeah.
Dito kami sa Harbor Town. Kakain kami sa Macas or McDonald's. Breakfast. Okay, bye-bye. Ready?
Yeah, I'm going out this way.
Alright, go, Baba. Nala ko yung ipit niya. Kasi kanina, ayaw yung magpa-ipit. Ay, kailangan pala ng mask.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide.
Thank you. Naka-order na pala kami and yung mga bata nandito sila sa playground. Ayan, si Zaki Boy. Kanina naka-pants yan. Nung pag-alis namin, nag-change na siya ng short. Dito na yung order natin. Nag-order ako ng hot chocolate. Yes? What? Custard pie. That's it. Kasi di ba ayaw ni Sak ng McDonald's. So custard pie lang yung kinuha niya.
Saying that, just remember.
And kumuha rin ako ng custard pie. Ayan kay Zachary. Ito lang ang kakainin ni Sak. Hash brown. Bacon and egg. Yung akin. Dito ka. How about Holly? What's Holly got? 6 nuggets? Nuggets kay Holly. What you got, Kuya? Mac Jr. Wash your hands. Okay, Mac Jr. Okay. One more tayo. And ayun yung mga bata. Actually, nandito siya sa akin kasi dyan.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me.
Tapos na yung mga bata, and tapos na rin ako except dito. Yeah, you can have si Kuya. Si Kuya nagsingin kung meron pang kit, may nakuha siyang kit dito. Ayan o. Si Kuya na lang pala. Eto, parang hindi ko na kaya siya kainin kasi nabusog na ako. Meron pa akong hot chocolate. Call them now, Kuya. Nandun sila naglalaro. Yung mga adults nasa labas na hinihintay ko lang yung mga bata kasi naglalaro pa sila. And eto, hindi ko na nakain. Baunin ko na lang to. Okay, drink that one. Yeah. And we're going coffee. Bean, please.
Okay,
No, you're right. No, love. Thank you. That one, Bean. And then this is yours? Okay.
hold on.
Okay, alis na tayo. This is yours. I don't know. I know. Where's the fidget? Maybe Kuya TJ got it. Ask Kuya TJ. Si Sak, ayun, kay Kobe sa likod. Nagpa-piggyback na naman si Sak. Alis na tayo and inuna naman ni Jan yung kanyang walkie-talkie. Maingay.
You can keep that and I'll plug that.
Dito ulit sa atin si Sophie.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Kissed up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're tripping all over me.
Tingin ulit tayo ng caravan. Ayan, Dave Benson Caravans. Careful when you open the doors.
Got to a big way.
Ulit tayo ng mask. Okay.
No, this is a lava monster! You're not the lava. You are?
Papasok tayo dito. Hindi pa rin tayo pumapasok kasi hinihintay natin yung mga adults.
But he's not holding on me. My phone.
You're scared, Sa?
No. What is it?
Gusto ni Sophie. Eh, mabigat, mas mabigat ata si Sophie kay Zach.
Wait.
Aww.
Wait, can I help? Any,
No, you can't. You can't. Not on your shoulder.
What?
Hello, you hit that car, Holly. Run, Holly, run, Holly. You cannot.
No.
Go, Baba, try. 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 Yeah, try. Just hold Kuya Sak. Just hold Kuya Sak. I'm holding you. I'm holding you. I'm holding you. I'm holding you. Put your legs. Put your legs. Kaya, pasok na tayo. Check in. So, andito yung kanilang mga caravans. C-Class. Iba-ibang brand pala ang nandito. Meron Essential Caravans, Cruiser Caravans. Tapos yung kaninang pinakita ko sa inyo. It's not family one. We have to look for family one. Ito cruiser to, family caravan. Oh, nice. Same lang nung ano, yung nakita natin kahapon, pero iba yung brand. Kasi OC yung kahapon, di ba?
So small. And we can sit down. Wow.
2 bunk beds.
Sophie, let's eat.
The same size what we seen yesterday.
Yep.
Same size. Ito naman C-Class semi off-road.
Yeah, no, that can't be up to.
Sold na to guys.
Sold.
82,990. Sold. Sold. This is sold. This is sold. Ito, mas mahaba to. 23 long to. Yung kahapon yung tinignan namin 21. Tingnan natin. Ayan yung kanilang dining, ref. And meron siyang tatlo. Where's the shower? Kala ko na natin buksan. What's this one? 21? 22. 22 long to. Yeah, 3 bunks yung nandito. Ito, 3 bunks. Yung ref nila. Ay, ang hirap buksan. Huwag na natin buksan. Baba na tayo. Ang daming pagpipilian, oh. Dami. Ang ganda doon.
Mom, come here.
Yes.
See that massive TV in that.
Massive TV there. Hanggang doon. Sige, puntahan nga natin yung sinasabi ni Sak na massive TV. Ayan, ang dami talaga. Oo. Ikaw yung Ha? What's that?
Look at that.
What? This is amazing. Oh, this is nice. I like the kitchen.
Behind you.
Oh, Jan! My God, this is nice. I think this is the best. This is the best we've seen.
You just put your food in
How
there,
many inch?
take it out, watch TV.
Oh, I love it. But the fridge is small.
I think the blue
No, that's the
means
fridge.
Ah, this is the fridge.
Can't open it. Oh, I can.
Ah,
Sold.
Yeah.
It's
oh,
sold.
don't open it. But I like the kitchen, the sink.
Live.
Ayan yung oven.
Yeah, see, look.
Han, come here.
Chona.
I think I found my caravan. No, this is only for
One. but
for
look at
only
this.
one for couple.
You know how much this one is?
How much?
120,000.
120,000.
That's worth it. Yeah, there's no kids. Where are the kids on?
Yeah, walang nga lang pang kids. Where?
No.
There, kuya? I
It's
know.
for 2 people, but like it'd be worth 123.
Yeah, 120 grand to. Pero ano lang, single, ano lang, for couple lang talaga, walang pang kids. And merong sariling TV. Sa honeymooners. But this is nice. Wow, I like it.
Yeah, looks so pretty.
Yeah.
I wish we can buy this.
But where you gonna sleep?
We can just sleep right on this couch.
On the couch?
Wait, there's no couch.
That one. Dining. Ganda. Pero, hindi to pang family eh.
It's got a triple bunk.
Okay, tingnan daw natin ito. Oh. Where's? Ah. 3 bunks.
And we get fans.
And ito yung toilet. Ah, medyo malaki-laki yung toilet niya. Ito yung shower. Kaso wala siya masyadong lalagyan ng damit. Ah, ito. Ah. Ayan. Ito yung ref. This is nice as well. Ito pang family na talaga to. But there's no TV. Okay, come on, Sas. You gonna sleep there, Sas? Eto, gusto rin to ni John. Elite yung brand. 91,990 siya. 23 foot long. Ayan, 2020. Eto, elite din to. Family din to. Tingnan nga natin. What's this? Is this the bed? Looks like small. Oh, but this is nice setup. No, Joe?
Yeah, no, I like it.
Nice setup.
I love it.
Pero 2 bunks lang siya, oh. Bagay to sa kanila.
See the shower toilet combo in there.
Maganda yung setup nito. And nice pin yung table. Yung dining nila nasa dulo kasama ng bunks. Tapos, ayan yung sink. Kasi yung bed parang maliit, no? 18 foot long lang to. Oh, nice!
Kuya, TJ,
Ganda to kasi white.
TJ could sleep next to that. And Kuya that could sleep on.
No, we need 3 bunks, Baba. Ganda rin yung interior dito, oh. Ito yung sa parents. Yung bed. So, ganito yung set. Gusto ko siya kasi white. Oh, di ba? White and gray. And may black din. Isang toilet, shower, sink. Sold out na pala to. In order pala to sa kanila. Pina-customize. Ah, it's brown, hon. I don't like it. It's brown. No. I want white interior. Nah, it's too look small. Nice setup, but I don't like the color. 3 bunks. Ayoko kasi brown. Gusto ko white. Ah, ganda rin yung kanyang setup. Ito yung toilet, shower. Huwag na natin siyang buksan. Okay, ayan yung shower. Brown kasi. Ito raw yung old style. May ganito si Dad before.
Like back in the day, they were bloody. They were like that when they
Like-
first come out.
Look at ito yung old style. Pero
So weird.
ha?
This looks so weird. It has an old couch. No, let's get out of this.
Brand
So weird.
ayun yun. Brand new to, pero yung old style nga lang. Ayan, oh. Bago to eh. 25,000. Ayun. Ah, hindi ko rin alam kung bago. Baka hindi. Joke lang pala na bago. Kasi parang luma na rin talaga siya. Tinatawag ako ni Jan, pero hindi ko siya mahanap. Where are you, Han? Which one? Ay, si Saki boy. Oh. Oh. This color? Let me see. Kasi gusto ko nga white, diba? Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. White. Is it white inside?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Nice.
Go on. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sit down in it.
Yeah, it's nice. You can spin. The other table, they can spin it.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, you can.
What's the point of spin on it?
No, because of you, because your belly, look.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, can you tell you that, please?
Where's the telly? We don't have telly. You have to put.
Oh,
Where? Here? No. Where you gonna put the telly? Here, this one?
yeah, there. It comes
Ah,
out.
that one.
Yeah, it comes out.
Okay. How many bunks?
3.
3. But the fridge is small, hon.
I don't bet that.
Why?
That's bloody.
No, look, small.
Plenty.
Freezer. Ah. Oh, see, small
Or you
freezer.
can get a bigger fridge if you wanted to.
Ah,
Because
okay.
that can be brought up a bit and you get a bigger fridge. But
Ah, pwede pala
it's
siya.
nice and it's got covers.
Nice box.
Kids. Oh,
Pwede sa kung all white. Ito wala. Is it good brand also, Han?
7 foot. 7 But you never shit. I mean, you don't.
You don't poo in that caravan? No, I
Not
don't.
really. It's just for wee wees at night. And that's it.
Yeah. But this one, can we customize, Han?
I like everything about it.
I like white here, Han.
All match and nice.
No, I want white. Pwede naman ito yatang papalitan. White. Yeah, it's nice, but I like white. What?
Batteries.
There, batteries. How many batteries? You have extra, Han? Extra batteries? And
TV goes there.
where? Here? Why there? So yung TV sa may entrance. Annex. Tapos maglagay ng annex daw. Gusto rin niya ni Jan. Marami siyang gusto pero hindi alam kung ano.
Taking to the new age. Not love.
Ah, the other. May isa pa tayong pupuntahan. Or more.
I think this has got 3 bunks.
Tapos na tayo dito, guys. May isa pa pala silang titingnan. And where we're going next, honey? Huh?
Another caravan place. New age.
New Age.
We love Pumili.
So where's next, honey? Junction Road. Surprise.
Where are we going, Dad?
Surprise daw sa...
I know what we're doing. Oh, I know where we're going. We're going to the playground. No, we're going to our cousins.
No, no.
Yeah.
It's still school.
Yeah. No, no school, huh?
Yes, there is.
Ah, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Just since we're not at school, but it's actually
Yeah, that's
school
right.
going on.
Kala ko ano, holiday nila pala. So, hindi ko alam kung saan tayo, ha? Nice. Dito kayo nakastop. Naalala ko yung EDSA. Kasi di ba ganyan yung EDSA?
Can I make
Ayan,
this?
oh. Nakakamiss ng
Look,
Philippines.
I made this.
Kailan kaya kayo makakauwi ng Philippines? You miss Philippines, son? Yeah. Aristocrat?
Sit down, Sophie.
Aristocrat?
Yeah.
You miss Aristocrat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Diba, oh, para siyang EDSA.
I made.
Hindi nga lang ganun ka-traffic tulad sa Manila.
Look, I made this.
Diba, EDSA lang ang kanyang itsura.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like
Guys,
Oh, wow.
ewan ko saan tayo dadalhin ni Jen. Tingnan niyo yung ating dinadaanan. Dirt.
Holly.
Ayan. Kanina nasa highway tayo. Ang ganda pagdating dito. I don't know, honey. How do I know if you're gonna turn there?
Not watching.
You're not watching.
No, I'm not watching.
What's that? What's that, huh?
Never been here before.
You never been here
What
before.
are we doing here?
I don't know. Ask Johnny Boy. Mga tubig na naman ang mga nakikita ko. Mayroon doon. Mayroon
What are we
dito.
doing here?
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Hapon.